This is going to feel amazing in your body, especially if you're feeling tight in your chest, neck, shoulders, and back from feeding your baby. Let's start by finding a comfortable cross-legged position, grounding your sit bones into the ground. Let's take a big inhale in as we sweep our arms up. Inhale, looking up at your thumbs. Exhale, let it all go. One more time, big inhale into your side and back ribs. Exhale, release. Let's bend over to the side, ballooning out through your side body. Exhale, engage your obliques to come up. Switching to the other side, reach. Exhale, coming up. Let's move to all fours. We can start in cat and cow. On an exhale, engage your core. Exhale, rounding out through your back, tucking your chin. Inhale, ripple through your spine, tipping your tailbone up and looking up. Exhale, rounding out, engaging your core. Inhale, arching. Continue to move with your breath. One last one. Good, coming back to a neutral spine. On an exhale, moving into bird dog, lifting opposite arm and leg. Inhale, release. Exhale, engage your core. Lift. Inhale, release. Moving with your breath. Good, hips are not swaying back and forth at all. One more on each side. Engaging the muscles of your back. Good, let's come up onto our knees, moving into a low lunge. We can shift our weight forward slightly, tuck your tailbone under, sweeping your arms up, looking up, keeping your ribs pulled down and in, engaging your core. Back knee can press down into the mat. Good, releasing out. Let's switch to the other side. Steady breaths. Legs are strong and activated. Pressing into your front foot. We can come back to our knees. Let's come up to a standing position. We can separate our feet and you can turn your right foot to the side, taking your arms out and moving into Trikonasana, reaching to the side of the room. You can let your hand fall in front of your leg, reaching your top arm up. Shoulders are stacked over top of your front leg. Core is strong. Steady breaths. Good. On an exhale, engage your core. Come on up. Let's bend that front leg. If you need to, you can walk your back foot back slightly. Crossing your arms in front, we'll move into eagle arms, bending your elbows, reaching for your thumb or your palms can come together. You can spread your scapula or shoulder blades to feel a nice stretch and slightly lift through your elbows. Good. Slowly unwind your arms. We can come up, switching our feet to Trikonasana on the other side. Finding length in your neck. Exhale, coming up. Moving into Warrior Two. This time crossing the other arm over. Moving into Eagle Arms. Searching for that nice stretch through your upper back. Spreading your toes. Good, we can unwind. Coming back up. Let's get down onto the mat again. We're going to come into a wide-legged forward fold. So just bring your legs as far as is comfortable. We can give ourselves a little bit of a boost. Finding length in our spine. And if it feels good, you can walk forward. Taking some steady breaths. Feet are flexed, knees and toes pointing up towards the ceiling. Gently coming back up. Let's make our way to all fours again. We can tuck our toes and press into downward dog. Moving our upper body between our arms. Your knees can stay bent here. Heels can reach towards the ground, but it doesn't matter if they touch. Good, let's release our knees down to the ground. We can take them slightly apart, moving into child's pose. Resting your forehead on the ground. You can either listen to these affirmations or repeat after me. I am an amazing mother. I am not behind. I am exactly where I need to be in life. I am proud of myself for all the things that I have overcome to get here. Let's take one more big breath. We can walk our hands back in, coming back up to a seated position. Let's clasp our elbows or our hands and release open through our chest, externally rotating your upper arms, keeping your core engaged to protect your core. If your hands are clasped, they can reach down and up. And exhale, engage your core to release out. We can come back down on our side, moving into Shavasana or final resting pose. Let's take a big inhale in and sigh out. One more time. Let your body feel heavy on the ground. every muscle. You can continue to rest here or finish up with me by wiggling your fingers and toes. Taking any last stretch that feels good. You can roll over onto your side, coming back up to a seated position. Namaste to you and namaste to your baby. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so grateful for you, and I hope that your body is feeling amazing. If you finished the 7-day challenge, you did amazing. Let me know that you finished day 7 in the comments below, and let me know what kind of challenge you'd like to see next. If you enjoyed these videos and you want to support me, the best way to support me is to subscribe and hit the notification bell.